Welcome to 3 Hanson Way, a charming New England cottage nestled in the heart of Hollis, New Hampshire. With 120 feet of shared beach access on Silver Lake, this charming 600 square feet home blends modern updates with classic New England charm. Inside, you'll find a bright open layout, a modern kitchen and bath, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The living area is warm and inviting, perfect for quiet evenings or entertaining a few close friends. The bedroom provides a peaceful retreat, and the full bathroom has been stylishly updated for comfort and convenience. The second room has been converted into a spacious walk-in closet with laundry hookups. A rare find in a home this size. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a brand new state-approved 2-bedroom septic system, a newer roof, all new windows and doors, and a new slider. Step outside to enjoy your private 2/10 acre lot with space to garden, relax, or simply enjoy the quiet surroundings. Whether you're downsizing, just starting out, or looking for a New Hampshire getaway, this home is move-in ready. To schedule your showing today, contact Dennis at 603-781-8559. Please reach out to Dennis with any questions you may have on this beautiful property.